Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting both visible and hidden damage. Probe for soft spots and loose fibers. Once identified, mark the repair boundary and sand perimeter with 80-120 grit to expose good laminate. This creates mechanical adhesion. Make sure to clean with solvent, acetone works, to remove oils and contaminants. While you prepare materials, epoxy, pre-cut fabric applicators, set up ventilation and wear a respirator and gloves. These opening steps control contamination and ensure the resin bonds properly to the existing carbon fiber. You now move into the core layup. Mix epoxy precisely to the manufacturer ratio and note pot life so you don't rush or waste resin. Once mixed, wet the first carbon fabric layer and place it with fibers aligned to the primary load direction. This controls strength and prevents future splits. Apply subsequent layers, staggering seams by at least 1/2 fabric width. Use a roller or squeegee to expel air and excess resin. Air is the enemy. Then cover and cure at the specified temperature for full cross-linking. Once the laminate is cured, you trim excess fabric and sand starting with 240 grit, then move to finer grits to feather the repair into the original surface. This blending prevents stress risers. Fill small voids with a micro-balloons epoxy paste and finish with primer and clear coat. Polish progressively with 1,000 to 2,000 grit for a seamless look. If you see new soft spots or delamination, stop, remove back to sound laminate, add more layers or switch to vacuum bagging to eliminate voids and restore structural integrity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.